Now, let us take up the fourth concept 1B4 escape sequences. Already I introduced one escape sequence, that is a new line sequence. This is new line sequence which is meant for uh, creating new line or line breaker. It is meant for creating a new line or it breaks the line. Now, here I will explain briefly about their functionalities. Thereafter, let us see practically. I am telling you, just simply studying theory, you never perform applications. So, come out of the college oriented habits and all that, the career oriented. So, whatever element you study that first, you get knowledge. It acts like a blueprint, thereafter go for application. Knowledge is transformed into skills. Skills, what we require here is in this platform, skills, programming skills. Now, first alert sequence. Alert means backslash and a alert sequence. And if you write uh, as part of the printf statement, always all these escape sequences, same principle is applicable. We have to write them as a part of the printf string, not outside. If you write them standalone outside the printf statement, it leads to error. That point always you remember. And alert sequence generates a beep sound. Actually, if your computer is having speaker and all that, you can hear it. No output is printed, no visible output, only one beep sound for a fraction of a second you can listen. Actually, in some programming uh, require some beep sound. Then how can you produce that? For producing that, C language people, C developers provide this sequence as part of the escape sequences. Printf backslash a, if you write, a fraction of beep sound will come. And if you want a bigger beep sound, bigger means it is just seconds only, then number of alert sequences you write, then by that you can get uh, longer beep sound, also in seconds only, that you remember. And here you may get it out where beep sound is required. Most of you, many times you experience that. What is the advantage also? You might have experienced that when you go to bank ATM, press a button, what happens? You hear a beep sound. Because of that beep sound, it is an assertion that your key is pressed properly. Otherwise, for every key press, you have to see the monitor screen. You cannot focus on keyboard on both, you have to see. So with the beep sound, it is a convenience, it is assertion that you pressed the key properly. So such type of situations you may face, you may require to generate a beep sound in your program. Then you can use this alert sequence. This is called alert. Next one, backspace sequence. You might have seen the backspace key on the keyboard, and whenever this is written, what happens? It moves the cursor. Suppose in your program cursor is here, it moves the cursor towards the left one space. So sometimes you want to move it back the cursor, then you can use where you want to move back the cursor, then there you write backspace sequence within the printf string. Don't forget. And one more thing you remember, suppose left side, any character is placed, already one character is there, it is erased. So backspace sequence perform two jobs. It moves the cursor one space toward the left, number one. Number two, any character is already placed there, it is wiped off. That is the third one, new line sequence, already amply explained. Next, carriage return. Carriage return is backslash and lowercase r. One thing you remember, all these are lowercase. 99% language provided things are in lowercase. That point you remember. In few cases only we have to use uppercase. In contextually I will explain. So, backslash and R, carriage return. Carriage return, suppose your cursor is here, moves the cursor to the first position of the same line. What new line sequence is doing? Moves the cursor to the first position of the immediately next line, whereas carriage return moves the cursor to the first position of the same line without erasing any character. Here in a backspace sequence, what you observe, any character is existing, it wipes it off, it erases it. But here in case of carriage return, it does not erase anything. Gently from here to beginning of the line it comes without erasing any character. Cursor is simply transferred. And horizontal tab sequence, we have to, already I told you one thing, in order to place data, in order to format data, two operations you should learn. One is breaking data, second one is placing data. For placing data purpose, your horizontal tab is used. It creates a tab between two data items. Suppose already I told you, this is originally your mark statement is like this. You are not happy with this, so you want to format it. Suppose you made only breaking of line, then data will come like this. Instead of horizontally, they come vertically. By using this horizontal tab, means backslash and lowercase t. If you write, I will explain how to use that and all that. Then you can organize them like this, as you like. That is what you are doing. Now it is perfectly formatted. You are not only breaking data, you are able to place data. Breaking data, placing data, by that you are formatting data. Okay, that is horizontal tab. And vertical tab. Vertical tab, actually most compilers, most C compilers do not support the vertical tab sequence, and few compilers may support that. Vertical tab backslash and lowercase v. If it works and all that, how it works you must understand. This is the cursor. It moves the cursor to the same position of the immediately next line. That is the functionality of the vertical tab. Any compiler supports that. You can find this type of functionality. Once again, I brief the functionalities of all 6 new line sequences, escape sequences. Alert sequence provides a beep sound. Second one, backspace sequence moves the cursor one space towards the left, and if any character is existing there, it is erased. Next, new line sequence moves the cursor from the current position to the first position of the immediately next line. That means line breaking. Carriage return moves the cursor to from the current position to the first position of the same line. This is first position of the immediately next line. Horizontal tab moves the cursor to the first position of the next tab zone. Your monitor screen is divided into tab zones. So, if you write horizontal tab sequence, then it moves the cursor from the current position to the first position of the immediately next tab zone. Vertical tab, most compilers do not support that. If your compiler support that, you can find this type of functionality. That is, it moves the cursor from the current position to the same position in the immediately next line. So, by using all these sequences, mainly two types of operations, especially these 5, two types of operations you can perform, breaking the data as well as placing the data. By that you can format output as you like. And now let us see the applications of these escape sequences in a number of programs, and only by practice you can achieve command over them. not simply understanding. That point always you remember and proceed.